A is for apple. A is for ant. A is for aeroplane. B is for bear. B is for ball. B is for banana. C is for cat. C is for car. C is for cake. D is for dog. D is for drum. D is for duck. E is for egg. E is for elephant. E is for engine. F is for fish. F is for flower. F is for frog. G is for goat. G is for grapes. G is for guitar. H is for hat. H is for hen. H is for house. I is for ice cream. I is for igloo. I is for ink. J is for jaguar. J is for jug. J is for jellyfish. K is for kangaroo. K is for key. K is for kite. L is for lion. L is for lamp. L is for leaf. M is for monkey. M is for milk. M is for moon. N is for nest. N is for nail. N is for net. O is for owl. O is for orange. O is for octopus. P is for pencil. P is for pineapple. P is for pizza. Q is for queen. Q is for quilt. Q is for quail. R is for rabbit. R is for rose. R is for ring. S is for sheep. S is for ship. S is for sun. T is for tiger. T is for train. T is for tree. U is for unicorn. U is for umbrella. U is for urn. V is for vulture. V is for van. V is for violin. W is for whale. W is for wagon. W is for watch. X is for xeris. X is for xylophone. X is for Xmas tree.
Y is for yak. Y is for yo-yo. Y is for yacht.
Z is for zebra. Z is for zinnia. Z is for zucchini.
Thank you for learning with me today. If you had fun, please subscribe and hit the like button. See you next time!